Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to log into your BIGO Live app. So for this, first of all, make sure that you're connected to a good Wi-Fi connection and then head towards your BIGO Live app. As soon as you open the app, you will see an interface like this where you will be asked to either sign in through phone, Facebook, Google, Twitter, Instagram, or any other social media sites that are listed here. Since I had signed up for BIGO Live through phone, I am going to sign in with phone as well. So tap on the option that best suits you. And after that, your phone number will already be displayed here. So you just need to simply type in your password. Here I am typing in my password. After typing in the password, tap on login. And then as you can see here, within a very few seconds of time, I have already been logged into my BIGO Live account. So this is how you log into your BIGO Live. I hope this video has been useful to you. If you like the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also hit the bell notification icon so that you do not miss out on any of our videos. Thank you for watching.